Hey, this is John Young. We're going to be doing a series of videos on this. This is the new Ryobi 40 volt two-stage snow thrower. And we just got this in and we want to show you guys what this is all about. The model number on this one is the RY40870. Links will be in the description below. In this video, we're doing kind of an unboxing video because this is how it will come shipped to you if you do the ship method. It's on a wooden kind of pallet, and it's the straps and plastic wrap. So we're going to kind of go through to give you an idea, because people have asked questions about, can it fit in a car? Can it do its thing? So I just want to kind of go through and take this apart so you have a better idea. Because occasionally, when some of you are going to go pick something big up and you only have like a little Subaru Outback type of thing, which can haul a lot, don't get me wrong. But if you've only got a small vehicle, they're like, oh, if I take it out of its box, will it fit? Well, we're going to find that out here in this video. I'm going to take it apart kind of like you would do if you were at the store. So we cut the tape at the top. We'll pop that open so you can kind of take a look at what it all looks like in there. We've got the machine handle folded over, pieces in different spots here, nicely packed with the cardboard around the outside. One of the first things I'm going to be doing, by the way, is pulling out the batteries and putting those on the charger, because we actually had some snow last night, so we can put this to use immediately. I've been so excited for this to get here, and yay, it's finally here. I can look down and I can see those wooden, the opening on the bottom. It's on a wooden pallet. So I can go and probably pick this box right up right now, but I don't want to do that because there's going to be pieces falling out, and we're going to kind of take those apart as we go. Looks like I've got some knobs. I've got skid plates in here, which is great because we've had snow blowers. You guys probably seen my videos. We've had some come through without skid plates, and then it just is a total struggle all the time. A little bit of a instruction page there. Now let's see. I'll just take out some of the cardboard that I don't think is needed. Scientifically placing it over there. Let's see, is there anything else that's loose? These corner ones are loose. So we have the chute, which is a metal chute, and it looks like because of its controls, it is all connected. I'm going to take out one piece of cardboard and toss the other to the side. Let's see, down back by the handle here, I think that I'm to the point where I might be able to take that cardboard box off. Now, the box itself from the bottom of the pallet to the top was 36 inches. It takes out about 4 inches for the pallet, give or take, and the handles can kind of come down. So without the box, as it's folded up, I think its height is going to be coming in less than its 36 inches by far. Let's see how this is going to work. So in this back corner, I must have some plastic. That is still holding. And I'm just going to push that off to the side. That corner was where we had a little bit of the plastic holding. So now we have it just sitting on that little pallet, and that means I can access the end now because it comes with the charger, and here's a couple of batteries. So the other two batteries are down on the sides, on both sides, kind of below the machine. Get those out of there. But we'll pop open the charger, and this is a 40 volt charger, and it is a quick charger. Set that off to the side. So it can handle both batteries in here. And we've got our 2 batteries. The batteries that ship with us, you will get 4, and these are the 6 amp hour batteries. So obviously if you were going to be taking this and unboxing it to load it in your vehicle, you're probably looking at about a 30 inch tall at most area you'll need in your vehicle. The problem becomes is getting it to roll. Yes, it has inflatable tires, and you can probably do a little bit with that, but to get that to roll into your vehicle could be very, very difficult. I'm going to take the 2 batteries, I'm going to go put them on the charger, and then we'll come back and keep going on our process. So I think we're pretty much ready to get into the assembly. We have to get the handle up and get the chute attached properly. Right now, as you look at it, we are about 20, let's call it 26 inches wide, because this is a 24-inch cut, which is going to be there, and you'll have a little bit. So for those who are wondering if this will fit in the door, 26 inches wide, but you're going to need to have enough room on the door to be able to get in before the handle comes in. So you can't have it where it's a 26-inch door and then it's immediately into a wall. There'll have to be enough space to swing. And because we're talking a good probably 40 inches deep, you put the handle up, you're looking at even deeper, you're going to need to have space for this to be able to come in and swing. We're going to go and put this together in another video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to give you an idea what's in here and the sizes. 180 some pounds. The box says 187 pounds. This is a heavy unit. There's no question about it. There's a lot of metal in here in different areas. You know, that's metal impeller, the metal chute. It's built to last. It isn't a plastic all the way across the board type of device. So again, we'll get it. We're going to assemble it next in a different video. Thank you guys for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.